Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get Phantom Puppet in FMR. So if you don't have it, you're about to get it. So first, if you have wait, let me look for the character. You have this character. Yeah, wait. Yeah, if you have this character, just watch. It's simple to get this character. You need this character to get it. So, yeah, it's so easy. So, guys, to get this, first you need to like the game and join the group. I already climbed it. And what the? Oh, never mind. And you're gonna have to rejoin. So this is how you do it. Wait. Oh yeah. So first you have to do this. Look, in view community, you have to press it. What the? And then that's how you do it. And then, so what's next is Mike. So what's next? Let me just be a human, so it can be more faster. And now, go finally be this character. So then, what the? Okay, then now you gotta just nope, not there. And to go over there. Yeah, right there. And then now go Fred Fazbear's right, I meant. And now to get it. What the? Why would I go behind? I'm so silly. Okay, now. Oh, I went the wrong way. Okay, so to get here to Fazbear's right, and now go over here. Look, you gotta go over here, this corner. Then over here you'll find a gift shop, and then whatever you do, see this? Then accept gift, and then that's how you get it. And then you will have the badge. This is so cool, guys. See you guys later. Bye.